In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts and graphs in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your Windows computer. Then make sure the workbook you want to use is already open on the screen. To start building the chart, select the full set of data. Click cell A1, which is the month header. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus End. This selects the entire data block from that top left header cell all the way through the last filled value. Make sure the selection includes all 4 columns starting at the header row and continuing down through the June row. Now go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Charts group, click Recommended Charts. When the Insert Chart dialog opens, make sure Recommended Charts is the active tab. In the list on the left, click the first clustered column option. Then click OK in the bottom right corner of the dialog. Excel inserts a column chart onto the sheet, with the data grouped by month and one colored column for each product. Next, reposition the chart so it is easier to read. Click the empty white border around the chart to select it. You should now see the Chart Design and Format tabs appear in the ribbon. Drag the chart down below the data table so it no longer covers any of the numbers. Then drag the bottom right resize handle outward until the chart is roughly the same width as the table. Now, update the title. Click once on the chart title text to select the title box. Click again inside the text so you can edit it. Select the placeholder text, then type Monthly Sales by Product H1. Once the title is entered, click anywhere outside the chart to apply it. Click the chart border once again to reselect the chart. On the right side of the chart, click the paintbrush icon to open Chart Styles. Stay on the Style tab in the pop-out panel, scroll through the available styles, and click Style 6. This applies the dark background style with colored columns. Then click the paintbrush icon again to close the panel. Now switch the chart type to better show trends over time. With the chart still selected, click the Chart Design tab. Choose Change Chart Type on the left side of the ribbon. In the dialog box, click Line in the list on the left. At the top of the preview row, click the first line with markers option. Then click OK. The chart now displays the same data as 3 lines across the 6 months. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You now have a labeled, styled line chart placed below the sales table, and any changes to the source numbers will update the chart automatically.